Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create ice pack on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and then you can grab this apple. Alright, and then you are going to go to the pattern and we're going to use this ice color to create ice pack. Okay, for the first part and the second part, I'm going to color it the same. Okay, and don't forget to change the toggle guys. Okay, wait, let me change the toggle and you can choose this toggle for your apple. Okay, and the second one, we're going to pick item from here. Okay, you can grab this item. Alright, and color it the same using the ice color, and it will create something like this. Okay, as you can see that the ice pack has been created. And okay guys, that's all the way to create ice pack on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.